Hi, my name is Dave Hall and I'm the UK Operations Director of Rentokil Pest Control. Welcome to our Level 2 Customer Service Apprenticeship Programme for Technicians. Customer service is a vitally important part of our everyday work within our pest business. All our customer research shows the three things they want most are well-trained technicians, a prompt response and the problem sorted effectively. This customer service apprenticeship is designed to give you those skills. Customers invite us into their homes, properties and offices to ensure they are safe from pest problems, and they expect the highest standards of workmanship, communication, knowledge and care. We call this service excellence. Our customer service apprenticeships have been designed to help you develop the knowledge, the skills, behaviours required to give our customers the best possible experience so we can develop long-lasting and beneficial relationships with them. In simple terms, they are designed to help make our customers love us. This programme will give you a great foundation as it covers all aspects of our service to customers, including technical knowledge, communication skills, understanding and dealing with customer needs, as well as regulations and legislation. The apprenticeship programme also gives you a full introduction to the skills and knowledge required to operate successfully within our businesses and indeed an understanding of the skills necessary in the dynamic and digital world that is 21st century business. The training material is being compiled using our own knowledge and experience, as well as the latest industry understanding and innovation. The apprenticeship programme will last for 12 months and by the end of it you will have developed the personal skills and knowledge that you require to deliver excellent customer service. You will also have gained an understanding of who our customers are, the roles and responsibilities of our colleagues, the systems, the equipment and technologies that we use, as well as the knowledge of the appropriate regulatory requirements that you need to adhere to in your role. We need your commitment. You need to be prepared to learn and to understand what is required of you, because once you've started the programme, it is important that you progress to its completion. We look forward to seeing you progress through the programme and become a true expert pest control technician.